So alongside the Honor 600 series, Honor officially announced the Pad 20. It's a budget tablet with a starting price of about $300, and depending on the model that you're going for, you may end up paying up to $500 because the device actually comes in different editions. Anyway, the device looks real nice. It has a sleek flat body design with rounded corners and a very simple rear camera setup. The tablet is also impressively thin at just 6.29mm and weighs 525 grams. Honor is offering it in grey, green and pink colorways. Now let's talk specs. The phone has a 12.1-inch LCD IPS panel and a 120Hz refresh rate. Brightness goes up to 700 nits, making it easier to use indoors and outdoors. There's also a soft light edition with a matte display. Under the hood, Honor packed in the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, paired with up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB storage. Battery life also looks promising because the Honor Pad 20 comes with a massive 10,100 mAh cell with 66 watts wired fast charging support. This battery could easily last you a full day or even longer depending on usage. It is guaranteed to be able to last you up to 2 days on a single charge. Now for cameras, don't expect flagship level photography here, but Honor includes an 8MP rear camera with autofocus and an 8MP selfie camera for video calls, online meetings or other casual shots. Audio of this device is another strong selling point. The Pad 20 comes with a 6-speaker setup and dual microphones. Software-wise, it runs Android 16 based MagicOS 10, and Honor is bringing several multitasking features. Other features include Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and a USB Type-C port with OTG support. So these are the top features of the Honor Pad 20. The device is currently available in China only. I don't know when it's going to be available globally, but it's most likely going to launch globally in no time, most likely before the end of June. Anyway, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.